Okay, so here we are, ready to go. I need to tell you something about the way I record the audio. I'm using this XY Capsule actually to capture my voice right now. So obviously this cable here, the red one, goes to the microphone input of my camera. So you hear me directly talking to the camera. This cable here is the headphones. The gain of the zoom is at 9, which is quite high, I would say. I'm gonna lower the output a little bit less. So let's check out some sounds that come from this acoustic guitar with this microphone. As you can see, the capsule is kind of pointing at the sound hole, but does it mean that it's wrong? You see, normally the microphones would be pointing somewhere around the neck joint here, you know, the 12th fret, or somewhere here, I guess, or some people point the microphone here, you know, at the bottom of guitar. There actually there's no right and wrong when it comes to miking the guitar. But what we are doing right now with this XY capsule, we are not pointing at the sound hole, although the capsule seems to be pointing that direction. See, one of those microphones is pointing that way and capturing sounds from here, back of guitar, and the other one from around this area. So you know what, I think it sounds pretty cool, and that's why, you know, I'm gonna try it out. And obviously I'm gonna move the mic around slightly and see what's gonna happen. So let's see. Now let's move closer. I'm gonna move even closer. Let's find the sweet spot. Maybe closer. I kind of like it. I mean, there's no right and wrong, as many people say. Kind of more direct sound. Change the direction of the microphone a bit. So this magic arm is actually quite good for that. Maybe I'm gonna lift it higher. I'm gonna lift it higher and tilt it slightly. The other day I was recording the video about the Yamaha travel guitar and Yamaha guitar lily, and I actually used that Zoom recorder, and if you would like to check out this video as well, that'd be cool, because it features basically the sound of that Zoom recorder, and I think that the sound it kind of sounds quite cool. I'll be interested to know what are your thoughts about the sound of those two instruments that I demoed in those videos. Okay, I'm gonna move my guitar slightly this way. So I guess it's capturing this side, and this one is capturing somewhere here. Whatever probably comes from the sound hole. Okay. Okay, here's an idea. I'm going to change the angle of those capsules from 90 to 120. Excuse me all the noises. Okay. So that's 120 degrees at the moment. You just turn the you just turn the microphone. And here's another idea. I'm going to actually do something that I really like doing, which is recording with the condenser microphones and plugging the guitar direct to the audio interface. In this case, I'm using obviously this field recorder. Let me just grab the cable. Okay, I'm back. Let's plug it in. I'm gonna use input number 4. Okay, I already connected my guitar to the Zoom H6. Now I'm going to switch on input number 4. So this is it, with and without, without and with. I have this video where I'm showing the way around this slanted display that doesn't let you really see what you are doing when you are setting up the levels of the Zoom H6. So I have this video. You can basically check what I'm doing, but basically I'm using the mirror that is attached to the gooseneck, and there's a clamp on at the bottom of that thing, and basically that's clamped into the music stand I'm using for attaching the whole Zoom on this magic arm. So check out this video if you're interested in how I did it. Just a way around, you know, the annoying problem that this Zoom H6 has. Just the one issue that this unit has really. I'm gonna show you what this guitar sounds like with the direct sound only. So I'm gonna disable the XY capsule so you won't be able to hear me talking anymore. Okay, so I'm back, and now I'm gonna play together with XY Capsule and this direct input. Okay, sounds pretty cool. I'm gonna change my position, maybe come closer. Okay, I think that this one sounds pretty cool. So let's see. One more time. Nice, sorry. You don't want to have your phone switch on when you record videos. Okay, one more time. Okay. I didn't do any strumming yet, so I'm gonna quickly strum a few things before we wrap it up. Hopefully it's not picking. I'm gonna lower the input of the direct guitar. So at the moment it's only XY Capsule. Oh, this is terrible. I promise next time I'm not gonna have this cable knocking the guitar. I'm kind of moving around to find a better angle. Okay, hopefully it's not picking, as I said. I'm gonna add the direct sound. See red on my camera, so who knows what's gonna happen. Okay, maybe the sound of the direct guitar. And back. Let's go back to 90-degree position of this capsule. Let's see what's gonna happen. Whoa, what am I doing? Okay, and no direct sound. mess up. Hopefully this thing won't distort on the video. This was my test of Zoom H6 XY Capsule and obviously trying it with the direct sound from the guitar. I would generally record the sound of the Zoom on my SD card and go back to the computer probably for editing, but I like the ease of use of this unit. And if you are interested in using this for just recording yourself at home so that you can see what your songs sound like and if you want to check what to improve in your playing, then this is the perfect device. And I think that this device, recording on this device, improves your work ethic as a guitar player, because when you record on this thing without any computer, you have to basically nail the song from start to finish. And normally when you record using computer software, you have the freedom. You don't have to learn the whole track. You know, you can just do it in stages, which is okay, I guess, but this one makes you work harder and be better as a musician. So I really love it. So this is the first video of this series, and there will be more coming soon. So if you enjoyed that demonstration, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and let me know your suggestions about how you use this Zoom, okay? Or perhaps there are some suggestions that you would like to make. Maybe I can test it with different microphones. I'll be doing this anyway. I'll be connecting dynamic microphones to this Zoom, my condenser microphones, and I'll be testing different ways of recording acoustic guitar. It's both for strumming and for fingerstyle. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.